Standing tall and proud, the Oliveri Vilo is part of our Premium Tapware range. Modern by design, it makes a bold statement with its strong and striking lines and is suited for use in kitchen and laundry settings. The Vilo range comes in a wide variety of styles, finishes and colours to suit your sink and your design vision. The gooseneck style is streamlined and functional, while the pull-out mixer style Vilos give you more reach and flexibility when filling pots and cleaning dirty dishes. Some mixers have an easy flick button that changes the water pressure from high pressure to shower spray. This is great for washing veggies and for washing down all corners of the sink. It's very easy to add an Oliveri water filter to your Vilo tap to enjoy pure filtered water at home. Filtering your own water is much better for the environment, as it means you can do away with all those plastic bottles. Rest easy knowing you're buying quality when you choose from the Vilo range.